Hi everybody, it's Miss Jenichen. You may have noticed that I have something new in the background here. I have my easel from my classroom. And so I'm gonna try to use it as much as I can while doing videos for you on here if they're not read aloud books. In today's video, we're gonna practice short vowel sounds. So can everyone say the word vowels? Does anyone know what a vowel is? If you watched my videos on blending or segmenting CVC words, you might already know that a vowel is a letter of the alphabet that makes two sounds. It makes a short sound like ah for A, ah. Eh for the letter E, eh, like elephant. Short I says I, like inchworm. O says aw, like octopus. And short vowel sound U says like umbrella or umbrella bird, And for I forgot to mention is for like alligator, So these are the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. And when they're in a word, like a CVC word, most of the time these vowels say their short sound. Let's practice those short sounds again, shall we? Short vowel A says like alligator. Short vowel E says like elephant. Short vowel I says like inchworm. Short vowel O says aw, like octopus. And short vowel U says like umbrella. Okay? Now, these 5 vowels can be seen in words, in CVC words, or consonant, vowel, consonant words, like you might have seen in my videos. And if you haven't seen those videos, go to my channel and definitely check them out because I think you're gonna like them. So for today's video, we're gonna practice these 5 short vowel sounds. And I'm gonna show you some words, but the middle vowel sound has been taken away. And it's gonna be your job to help me figure out what the middle vowel sound is. And then you're gonna tell me which letter it is. Okay? So one more quick review. A says A. E says E. I says I. O says O. And U says U. A, I, All right, let's do some practice. All right, let's start practicing. As a reminder, these are our 5 vowels, and I brought them a little bit closer for you. A, when it's a short vowel sound, says A. E says I says I. O says aw. And U says So if I have this word, can you guess what this word is by looking at the picture? 10. That's right. N. 10. What is going to be that middle vowel sound? That's right. E, because E says eh. Let's read it again. N, 10. Great job. Let's try another one. All right, what is this? I'm gonna angle it so you don't see my light as much. Let's see if I can do that. Oh, no, you're still gonna see it. I'll put it down here. There we go. Oh, that's much better. All right, what word is this? Box. Can you say box? Good. So we already have the beginning and the ending sounds. B, a, x. What's going to be that short middle vowel sound? B, a, a. Oh, very good. Let's read the word. B, ox, box. Very nice. Let's do another one. Ooh, what is this called? Lip. Can everyone say that? Lip. Good. Lip. 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 Now, I know a lot of students in my class, when it comes to the I sound, we sometimes don't know. I'm sorry if you can hear the leaf blower behind me. But anyway, in my class, sometimes we get confused on whether this middle sound is I or eh, because they sound so close. So let's really listen. Ooh, ip, lip. Which one do you think it is? That's right. I, ip, lip. All right, let's do a couple more. And by the way, I got all of these cards online from totschooling. I don't have the exact link because I got them last year. But if you wanted to get a copy for yourself, they're if you look up totschooling middle vowel sounds, you can probably find them. All right, next word. You already saw it when I showed earlier, but it is sun. Can everyone say that? Sun. All right. Sun. What's that middle sound? Is it a, I, or you. That's right. Sun. Sun. Nice job. We're going to do a couple more, and then I think you'll get the hang of it, and you can practice at home yourself if you'd like. All right. What word is this? It's a little animal. Also happens to be sitting right here, too. See if I can turn my... Oh, look it. What animal is that? That was my cat, Misty. Cat. Can everyone say that? Cat. Cat. At. What's that middle vowel sound? Ah, that's right. Cat. All right. Yeah. All right, here's another one. Fox. This is an animal called a fox. Ox. Fox. Which vowel sound do you think it is? A, I, Fox. Is it this one? Is it this one? Yes, that's right. Ox. Kind of like when we did box earlier, huh? This is a fish, but this little arrow here is pointing to something that they have, that they swim with. Can you say fin? Yeah, fishes sometimes have a fin. Well, not sometimes. All fishes have fins. But this fish, it's pointing to the top fin. Fin. In. Fin. Which vowel sound do you think that one is? Is it fan? No, it's not fan. Is it fen? Not fen. Is it fawn? No. Is it fun? Well, it might be really fun listening to this video, but this is not the word fun. How about this one? Fin. That's right. The middle vowel sound is I. We're just going to do a few more. This is a what? What do you sleep in at nighttime? Bed. That's right. Bed. B-ed. Bed. So we've got the beginning sound, B. Middle sound is the vowel, E. Ending sound, D. B-ed. What's the middle? That's right. E. B-ed. This is also how I remember the difference between B and D. Because whenever you have the word bed, the stick part of the letter is always on the ends, kind of like the posts on a bed. Maybe that helps you. All right, we're just going to do two more. Oops, let me put that E back there. All right, can everyone say pop? Pop. P-op. The beginning and the ending sounds are the same, huh? They're both the letter P. P-op. Which letter do you think it is? Oh, that's right. P-op. Pop. Nice. And the last one we're going to practice today is something that you do with scissors. What do you do with scissors? You cut. That's right. Cut. K-ut. Cut. What's that middle vowel sound? Is it a, e, I, Cut. If you said give yourself a thumbs up. Cut. All right. Well, that was a really fun game. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're at home, you can practice by, like I said, going to totschooling, which is where I got the cards. I also have other cards that look like this, and they are from Learning A to Z. Keep practicing your short vowel sounds, a, e, I, when you're doing your own reading and writing at home. Miss you all. Happy learning. Bye.